Hey y'all, what's up? And we're back at it with another video.
Never seen. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love.
Y'all have been liking our videos. Make sure y'all subscribing to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We are a little bit under the weather, both of us. This girl has been giving us a headache all day. Now we're at the laundromat, so let's go. Now we're heading to Walmart. So there is that. This one is being so bad today. I can't even deal, to be honest. But right now we're just here.
Those plants be cute in the pot.
In the black one, right?
This one?
Yeah. I had some plants and I planted them. I was watering them and they started growing, and then a bunch of these little tiny bugs was just crawling on them, and I'm pretty sure that's what killed my plants. So we're trying to find something so that they will not be attracted to the plants. So actually, we're not on good terms. We are not on good terms right now.
Actually, that's still no fighting. Like, you know you love me.
I do love you, but you get on my last nerve. Like,
And you
oh
get on
my
mine. I don't know. Nah. Cause she started this one, bro.
I did not start anything. I'm just sitting eating my food, and it's always the little slick comments being made. I don't need the slick comments, okay? Especially if I'm hungry. And look at this one. She don't know how to stay still, how to just not. She just got to be doing something. She'll be crying if she's in the car. She don't want to be in the cart. True heaven. Sit, yeah. And we're back at the laundry room. We got some plans. I will show y'all when we get home. But, oh, the laundry's not even done yet. Oh, it is done. Done. Oh, the clothes are still wet. It sucks. They're still wet, so I think we're gonna go get some ice cream next door, or not sure yet, but next apartment or house, we're definitely getting our own laundry system, because doing laundry every 2 weeks, it's not it. Ice cream next door. Look at all the flavors that they have. Mango chile, gum, cocoa, coconut. Cheese is crazy. Oh. So I got the Mexican cake, and babe got Oreo. How's it?
Why did it taste good? It's good.
This one is so good. The moment of truth. Okay, they feel pretty dry. Alright, y'all, so we're back. We definitely did take a nap. That looks so cute. I'm about to cook. My lashes look absolutely crazy, but I'm about to cook. I took NyQuil. I think that's why I just like knocked out. Hi baby.
Hey.
This is the plant that we got. One of them. Look how beautiful. I'm about to cook some chicken Alfredo, so y'all can come with me for that. And then also babe is going to be cleaning inside. It's not much to really clean. As you can see, our house is pretty much clean, really just mopping, vacuuming, stuff like that. So we will be switching off, and let's go. So today we're making chicken Alfredo. Gonna need some chicken, fettuccine. Now y'all, what's the first thing we're gonna do? Right, wash that chicken, okay? You're gonna put some lemon juice, water, and a little vinegar, a little salt. Okay? I'll be back. While that is in there, we're going to make True some ground turkey. We split these, and this should last her about a week. And then we put regular meat in there. But we have everything sectioned since we're just a family of 3. We have everything sectioned. Like this is turkey for True. That's when we bought it. It's frozen, and you know that's another one that's ground beef. So that's what we do. And I will be back when I start cooking. Going to pass y'all off to Babe. That Babe trying to do it right for y'all. Bone kept on falling. True's food is cooking. That's right, y'all. So we're about to start cooking. True's food is done. She's about to eat dinner. Right now, I have the water boiling for the noodles, and I'm about to drain the water that the chicken was sitting in. Season it, cook it, make the sauce. Noodles is already getting started. And yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing, cooking videos for y'all. So those will be coming soon. But for now, we're gonna speed this thing up. How good that looks on my dry sheet. Okay. We're gonna be making our own Alfredo sauce. Put sweet peas, as I can see. This is just simmering. Melt all that cheese. So we just ate, and I don't even want to look at the kitchen. I don't even want to clean the kitchen, but it has to get done. Also, this it has to get done, and afterwards I want to watch a movie, but I just know it's time for bed. All that got done was vacuuming.
I got distracted a couple times.
Which is so crazy. I feel like you should help me with the kitchen.
What?
Look at y'all. How is this still like this? You had one. All you had to do was vacuum, clean the hallway bathroom. Not even the bathroom in the bedroom, because that's really my bathroom. I use that one the most, but I also use the other bathroom. So both of them are mine, but the one in the bedroom is mine as well. So it's just because I do my makeup in there. There's always stuff all over the place, and babe just hates going in there. I have been doing very well with keeping it clean though, right?
You've been getting better, yeah.
Yes. The last, week? 2 weeks before we left? Comment below also some videos that y'all want to see from us, some topics that y'all want to see, stuff like that. We are about to clean the kitchen.
Nah.
Yes, we are.
Nah, because I
Yes,
was
we
about
are.
to say, don't worry, I'm gonna help you clean the kitchen, and then afterwards, I'll give you a little foot massage if you want.
That is I promise you I will come back to this vlog just for that part, because I promise I'm not going to get a foot massage. They owe me like 5 massage. I even bought for their birthday, if y'all seen, I bought a whole massage table, massage oil, everything. You know how many times I've heard, oh, I'll give you a back massage, I'll give you a foot massage, I'll give you a full body massage. I never get my massage. So I'm glad that we're vlogging, because we're going to hold them to it. We're going to clean the kitchen.
I never said how long it would be. You know what I mean?
We're going to clean the kitchen, clean this table off, which I will help as
That's
well.
all your stuff. Just saying. That's how you're close.
I don't know if I'm going to close the vlog out here. We're going to say goodnight, though, after my foot massage. We're going to say goodnight.
I'm not
And
gonna say goodnight right now, because if I do end up giving you a foot massage, you're going to be sleeping.
no, I'm going to be sleeping, yes, but we're going to say goodnight when that foot massage happens. So if we do not, though, good night, y'all. Make sure that y'all like, subscribe, and tell a friend to come join the crew. Y'all already know what's going on. We love you guys. We hope that you guys are enjoying these videos. Again, we are just getting started. This is probably our 5th video, 6, because we do have a lot of videos coming out before this, like our trip to Dominican Republic. If y'all have not seen that, we went snorkeling, we went zip lining, we had a pool party, we invited people back to our room because we had a private pool. We played what did we play? With the fingers. Never Have I Ever. It's been lit. We've been giving y'all them bangers. Like, y'all just gotta tell us what y'all want to see, and we're gonna give y'all what we want to give as well, and stuff like that. Here is actually a picture I haven't shown y'all. It's just so cute to me. That was us in the Dominican Republic when we held the little monkeys, and we bought this from a gift shop, and then we bought this from the monkey exhibit. This is what we are working with. But watch how quickly it gets done, because it's only a 2x2. Let's go. I am getting my foot massage. Guys. Good night. See you in the next video. Say good night, babe. Peace out.
Never see you. Don't gotta hurry now, 'cause we stay in control in the name of love.